Not good for you.
No, I know. Since the beginning, it was like that. Can have when you're with me, can have an accident on accident. Yes.
So Denis must be in trouble. He has saved you, no?
Yes. Thank you. Thank him.
You thank Denis for taking away the trouble.
Yes.
But I'm still the mother of your son.
Yes, that's all.
I'm still the mother of your son.
Yes, of course. So, I can. Yes, they will send me.
You upgrade me to business class?
Not. I told you it's not now in the.
Hello and welcome to Think News. I hope you're doing well. Akothee's baby daddy pokes fun at her troublesome nature, joking that Denis, popularly known as Omosh, has rescued him from the difficulties she used to cause. The headley gentleman happens to be the father of Akothee's two sons. Despite their past, Akothee recently tied the knot with Denis, who hails from Switzerland. She paid a visit to her two sons and is now embarking on another trip to celebrate her honeymoon with Omosh. Interestingly, her ex-husband is the one arranging the flight for Akothee to reunite with her current husband. Quite amusing, isn't it? Akothee, the boss lady. Anyway, guys, if you love what we do at Think News, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with a friend, and of course, we would love to hear your opinion about this update.